Alright, today we're going to show you how to replace some parts on your tent. Once you get your replacement parts, we're going to go over how to replace your leg, and then we're going to show you how to replace some crossbars as well. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take off these parts, and then we're just going to put them right back on. So a lot of times these will get damaged, the leg will get damaged, the crossbars will get damaged, and you'll have to replace them with new parts that we send you. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off the damaged piece. This is not damaged, but we're going to pretend it is today. We're going to take off the leg first. So there's 4 screws, 2 in each corner, and then 2 at the bottom corners as well. Down here, there's 2 more, 1 and 2, and they're just a Phillips head screwdriver. What I'm going to use is a drill today, power drill. That makes it a lot quicker and a lot more efficient to take these off. But you can use a screwdriver if you need it, or if that's all you have. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take these screws off. And they're just a small screw. It has a threaded end, and then it has a stopper here. And so what they are is they're kind of switched. One's on the outside, and one's on the inside. So I'll just go ahead and take this one off. And then same thing with the bottom. All right, now once that's off, these crossbars should pop out of these slots. If they don't, we'll just pull up on them and they should come right out. And that took this whole section off for us. Put that off to the side. All right, so now you have your leg completely off. So now that we have the leg off, sometimes the top plastic piece is the broken piece, and we'll send you this replacement part here for that. So what you'll do is you'll take off this screw, grab a small rubber mallet, or you can use your hands and hit that up, and that will come off. And then you'll put the new replacement part on, put that screw in, and then you're all set to go. All right, so now we'll just go ahead and put this back on the tent frame here. I'll take this piece here that we took off. So what we'll do here is we'll just slide those into the nooks. We'll line up the hole here with the hole here, just like that. And then you'll take your replacement screws that you have, or the screws that were already in there, and then you'll go ahead and feed that in there. Oops, sorry about that. So same thing with the top one. We'll just line up those holes. There we go. Probably don't have to hold that anymore, you're good now. All right, and then I'll go ahead and do the bottom. So again, this slides up and down for when you open up your tent. So it's a little easier if you go take this and you just slide that up in there. Thank you. So just got to make sure that lines up. And there you go. Now you have a working tent leg. Go. So now we'll show you how to take off the crossbar and replace it if it's a broken piece here. So we're just going to do the same thing. We'll take off the top bolt, and then we'll go ahead and take off the bottom bolt here. And then this should slide right out. And then pretend, okay, this one's a broken piece, put it down, take up your new piece. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna follow the pattern of the tent. So we have the back one is like this way, and the top one is this way. So we're gonna follow that same pattern. And we're gonna put the top piece in here. Line up those holes between the crossbar and that plastic piece there. And then you'll just go ahead and screw that in. And then same thing with the bottom. Slide that in the nook there. All right, put that screw in, same thing. Tighten that up, and then you have a working crossbar in place.